Ever wonder how the pros get that perfect cook every single time? Today, we're diving into the secret behind precise temperature readings, the OXO Good Grips. It's widely considered the most accurate thermometer on the market, and in this video, we're going to show you exactly why it's the ultimate kitchen essential for home cooks and professionals alike. Number 1, OXO Good Grips Chef's Precision Digital Instant Read Thermometer. The Chef's Precision Digital Instant Read Thermometer delivers professional-grade accuracy with at-home convenience. Measuring in both degree F and degree C, its ultra-thin tip provides fast, precise readings in seconds. A pivoting head and large digital display ensure easy viewing from any angle, while the probe cover features chef and USDA recommended temperatures for quick, confident cooking every time. Number 2, OXO Good Grips Thermocouple Thermometer, Digital. Engineered for precision, the Chef's Precision Thermocouple Thermometer delivers professional-grade accuracy with at-home ease. It provides fast 2 to 3 second readings with plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy, helping you achieve perfect results every time. The rotating probe and backlit, fully adjustable screen offer comfortable use from any angle, while the ultra-responsive thermocouple tip ensures quick, accurate readings with minimal insertion. With easy degree F/degree C switching, selectable resolution, and a waterproof, easy-to-clean design, this thermometer is built for effortless, confident cooking. Number 3, OXO Good Grips Digital Instant Thermometer, 1EA. The OXO Good Grips Digital Instant Read Thermometer is designed for fast, accurate temperature checks with effortless ease. Featuring a 90 degrees pivoting head and large digital display in both degree F and degree C, it ensures clear viewing from any angle. The ultra-thin probe delivers quick, precise readings, while the included cover displays chef and safety recommended cooking temperatures for added confidence. With a battery included and OXO's trusted quality, it's AM. Number 4, OXO Good Grips Chef 039's Precision Instant Read Thermometer. Engineered for precision and reliability, this instant read thermometer delivers professional quality results for safer, healthier cooking. The stainless steel probe provides accurate internal temperature readings, with a shaded guide for proper insertion depth. Large, easy-to-read numbers ensure clear visibility from any angle, while the protective storage sleeve includes recommended cooking temperatures for added convenience and confidence in every meal. Number 5, OXO Good Grips Thermocouple Thermometer, Digital. Engineered for precision, the Chef's Precision Thermocouple Thermometer delivers professional-grade accuracy with at-home ease. It provides fast 2 to 3 second readings with plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy, ensuring perfectly cooked results every time. The rotating probe and automatic backlit display allow comfortable use from any angle, while the sensitive thermocouple tip delivers accurate readings with minimal insertion. With easy degree F/degree C switching, selectable resolution, and a waterproof, easy-to-clean design, this thermometer makes precision cooking effortless. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.